And good day, everyone. It's me, Chanel. That's Shenell. And if you're looking on today to add a touch of elegance to your walls, why not try creating your very own DIY artwork with a few thrifted frames and a chic color palette of French blue, beige, gold on a cream background. Perhaps you can create pieces that are not only unique to your style, but also exude sophistication and elegance. Let's get started. Begin my DIY elegant workspace project, I knew the first step was to choose the perfect color palette. After careful consideration, I decided on a pillow covers in the range of serene hues such as varied shades of blues, creamy whites, warm beiges, and soft tans. These colors with subtle gold accents promise to create a sophisticated and tranquil atmosphere. With my color scheme in mind, I ventured to my local home goods and took a look at some of the art pieces and the prices that were there. As I wandered through the aisles, I was met with an array of beautiful pieces, but despite their inherent beauty, I found myself unable to connect with any of them. They were undoubtedly stunning, yet they didn't resonate with the style that I was envisioning for myself. It was time to take a trip to my pre-loved shop in search of some frames. While the size was modest, they beautifully complemented a larger frame I had previously purchased, so I knew that they would work in unison together. To achieve the desired background color for the artwork, I chose a lovely shade of blue, the color I had custom matched from a cherished blanket that was my inspiration. With this attention to detail, I was assured that the frame would harmonize seamlessly with the larger piece and the overall aesthetic of my space that I was going for. The frames, with their exquisite gold and the blue accent as a backdrop, would perfectly create the wall into my cohesive and elegant display that I had in mind. With the exquisite gold frame with the blue accent as a backdrop, careful curation not only will enhance the beauty of the room, but also added a touch of personal significance, making my space uniquely again mine. Disassembled the original wall decor to repaint the existing piece and achieve my desired look with this pair of frames. Using the newly matched blue paint, I transformed the backdrop to harmonize with the rest of the decor. This careful modification ensured the pieces that I was wanting for the space would seamlessly fit and create that elegant design again that I was envisioning. Once I finished the two smaller pieces, I turned my attention to the larger one. I'm sharing the original picture from this substantial frame that is now disassembled as you're seeing here in the video. To give you a sense of its scale, I'm showing it beside me as the camera doesn't always depict or capture the true size. The frame is beautifully adorned in gold, which I definitely won't alter. The gold's color is perfect for achieving the elegant look again that I desired across all of the frame. Next, I layered the paint onto the existing poster board. Using painter's tape, I crafted a grid for the specific look I wanted. Then I applied drywall compound to each square, gently creating subtle lines for added texture. This meticulous process ensured a unique and elegant finish, again, that I wanted to achieve, that would perfectly align with the overall, again, design and vision I had for my space. I then removed the tape carefully as to not disturb the paint that was under it for a finished look. I ventured out one last time to search for another frame, and as I like to say, it was waiting there just for me. I found exactly what I desired, and it was a thick golden case frame. The timing again was perfect at the store, and the size was precisely what I needed. I felt like it was just again there waiting for me. The art already had peel off words that was stuck to it, which didn't bother me at all because again they were peel and stick. So once I removed the cutouts from the frame, it revealed a cute look, but again, not quite my style. I then proceeded to carefully tape off the inside of the frame, pressing the tape down to ensure a secure fit. And my goal was to protect the gold finish and avoid any damage to the frame. So with the frame adequately covered in tape, I turned my attention to the backdrop. This time I chose household paint in Whisper White, a soft and inviting shade to create again a perfect canvas backdrop for my art. Once the backdrop was painted, I prepared a special mixture for added texture. I combined drywall mud with some baking soda, a technique I find effective for achieving a unique and textured look. And this is something that you can try also. This step was crucial as I had a clear vision in my head for this piece, which I am naming Souls Rising. The inspiration and the significance behind this name are detailed in a blog post that will be linked down below in the description box below this video. And I invite you to read it to understand the deeper meaning and the personal significance of this creation. Again, this is not just DIY artwork that I'm creating, but it has a personal meaning for me. And I believe there will be some inspiration and motivation that you can take from the blog post. So as I worked meticulously, applying the texture mixture to the backdrop and bringing my vision to life, I wanted this piece to resonate deeply with me, reflecting the journey and emotions I've experienced over the past few years. The colors I selected, the blues, the creams, the beiges, and tans, were carefully chosen to evoke a sense of serenity, warmth, and depth. Again, Souls Rising is more than just an art piece. It's a representation of growth. It's a representation of resilience and beauty that emerges from life's challenges. My hope is that this creation will inspire others, encouraging them to find beauty and strength in their own journeys through this project. I actually aim to connect on a deeper level with those who view my work, sharing not just art, but a piece of my soul. As I close out this video, I want to say thank you all for joining me for this creative journey, from selecting perfect frames for the backdrop for Souls Rising. Each step has been a labor of love and a reflection again of my personal journey, and I hope this piece again resonates with you as much as it does with me, and capturing the essence of growth and resilience and beauty within the piece. I enjoyed this process. I am inspired, and I hope you are as well with Soul Rising. I encourage you again to explore the blog post, which will be linked down below. Your support and your engagement mean the world to me, And I would love to hear from you how this project inspires you in your own life, and also from the blog post if you read it and then come back and leave a comment. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely hit that subscribe button. And for more creative content and personal reflections, come back and join me once again. Together, let's create to find and celebrate the beauty in our journeys. So until next time, stay inspired, motivated, and keep moving by all means. This has been Chanel, and I'll see you all for the next one. Bye for now.